Hi developers, and welcome back to a new video. So today I just want to discuss some issue that I was experiencing inside my terminal when I wanted to start a new session inside the terminal, and it was mostly related to the Node.js installation on my macOS. So as you can see on the terminal, it's saying that herd load nvm rc command not found nvm find nvm rc. So actually this code wants to run this function, but it couldn't find the function. I think it will be mostly inside the nvm.sh when you install the Node.js. So it also installs some of the sh files in order to run the Node.js, the Node version manager on your system. If it's Windows or macOS, doesn't matter. Actually, it was also related to the Laravel herd that I'm using on my development machine for the Laravel development. So I just want to share that how I resolved this issue. As I already resolved this issue, but I just undo the fix, and I thought let's just make a video on it and share it with you guys. So what if in the future you experience this issue, so you know how to resolve this. So now here, as you can see, if I open a new terminal session, this nvm find nvm rc written here, this is actually a method that is used to run the nvm.sh file. It locates the nvm.sh file on your machine and loads it for you in order to make the NVM, the Node version manager, work for you. And you can then use multiple versions of Node and NPM. So here, actually what happened for me, actually I have installed the Node.js from the official website before I was using Laravel herd and before I was using the homebrew for the package installations on my macOS. So after using the homebrew, I also installed the NVM, the Node version manager, on my machine using the homebrew, as the Node version manager was already installed on my machine. So that was the main reason this issue was caused for me. And I couldn't find a solution for this, and I didn't had much time to actually resolve this issue because it was not blocking any of my work. But today I just thought let's fix this issue and share it with you guys. If you install the any package from homebrew, and if you are using any shell like Zesh, like I'm using Zesh, so it actually adds an environment path inside the Zesh or Bash. It depends on what shell you use. So if I open the zeshrc file ~/.zeshrc, and I just wanted to show you what are the commands here that are already present to run the Node version manager correctly for me. So as you can see here, there are a lot of commands that are used to run the Node version manager. But actually, these three commands, these three lines that I'm moving the cursor on, as you can see, the path here is different. Actually, this path, this user local option and nvm/nvmsh, this path actually configures when you install the Node version manager package from homebrew. Actually, this is the official and recommended path which will be used to install the NVM package if you are using the homebrew to install the Node version manager package. And if we go up here, there's also another three lines that is similar to these three commands below here. These three commands are also being used to configure the path for the Node version manager. And actually these three commands were the correct one, and I was using all of these commands to configure the Node version manager path. So that's why these two were conflicting with each other, and I was experiencing this issue for a long time. But I have already resolved this issue, but I thought let's just share it with you guys. So I undo the fix and let's fix it again. Okay, so what we will do here, we will actually comment these lines, all of these lines here, and there's also another change here. Even if I comment these lines, so this code will still not work. Why? Because when you open the terminal session, and if you are using Zesh, so first it runs the Z profile and then zenv, and then it runs the zesh rc file, and then it executes the command which are inside the zesh rc file, and it runs the resources and packages for you. We will move these commands from zesh rc file to zesh profile, the Z profile. Why? In order to make this NVM path configure correctly and run for us correctly. So this was the main issue, and it was so simple to fix. So let's just fix this issue. We will actually do what? We will actually come here and comment these also, so that these commands will only run from the Z profile but not from the zshrc file. Now what we will do, we will actually save this file after commenting these lines, and we will go to nano tilde slash Z profile, which is the main file where we have to run these commands and where we have to configure these paths. So now let's open this file. And as you can see, as I already told you, I have already fixed this issue that I undo this fix. So I have just uncommented these lines. I have added here, these are the same commands. I just copy pasted these commands. And let me explain you one thing, what this brew prefix NVM does. So this brew prefix NVM displays the path of the NVM node version manager package that is installed from brew, from the home brew. So if I just save this file, and let me show you what this brew dash dash prefix and NVM does. As you can see, it displays the path. It's actually the path that is used by the homebrew if you install any package from the homebrew. But this path will be displayed if you are using the macOS Intel chip, as I am using the macOS Intel chip. But if you are using the macOS Apple Silicon chips, so you will see the path user slash homebrew, something like that, homebrew and slash opt slash nvm if you are using the Apple Silicon chips. So it actually configures this path, which is configured from the homebrew in the Z profile, and it resolves this issue. Now let's go back. So after implementing this fix, we will reopen the terminal in order to make the fix work. So as you can see, we are no longer seeing any issue, any not found command, any error messages from the NVM package manager that is installed using the homebrew. So even if I have two NVM node version manager packages that is installed using the official website and also using the homebrew, but I'm using the homebrew, so I have configured the homebrew path inside the Z profile. So whenever I'm using the terminal and starting a new terminal session, I will not see this issue anymore. So I just wanted to share this issue with you guys. So if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, keep supporting, and stay tuned for more.